Umwaka gw'2022 mukareba amakuru g'abanya-Uganda abagira asharo ya Uganda na Tanzania mutukura bakesharinga bwanyuma y'abashuma batahiro mchanga cha Ankole bato bakiba moto kino mchoro chumwe bwanyuma yo kugezaho kuzitoreza barukweza tracking devices bakazerebo muri Tanzania ngukonka kubagerezeho kuzayo kuzihayo baremesebwa byo kwerinda umuyihanga rya Tanzania bwanyuma ya kesharingo eti kikashanyaraze byentambara boda ya mutukura echaritira byo kwerinda umuyihanga rya Uganda bataho munshongezi nuko kwandikira government ya Tanzania nuko kukwata motokezi mbwenizo baryanyumwe bazyo bakama ba motokezi bashikiro muri Tanzania kandi motokinezi twashanga polisi ya Mureba hamwe na Chaka police station konkaza bazirwe mu mberambi nuko bamakanika bakatanduko gwabo imotoka ezindi 3 z'abanya-Uganda nazo zacungurwa bitu zitegerize bakamabazo okuzigarukana imotoka ineze zitungere bakamabazo zihirwa yo mu mukono yabo kandi umukoro gwembirwa mu jwecorwa wa DPP yo muri Tanzania senior state attorney hamwe no muwezo wa RDC yo mu yanga rya Tanzania hamwe n'abandi binji kandi aba babugana ho abakuru kurwo mu yanga rya Uganda aba babembirwa entumwa ningash ambassador wa Uganda muri Tanzania Kano Fred Mwesije o wabashagatirwa RDC wa Chotera district Mugume DPC wa Chotera hamwe no Wisinjiro district hamwe n'abandi bebembezo kurwo mu mahanga gombi.
The court ordered that the said motor vehicles be returned to the owners who are the Ugandan nationals. And today we had a very special event of making a handover here at Misenyi district. As you can see at the office of the district commissioner here is where the event took place. It was participated by the representative of the DPP from Uganda, who is the central authority for Uganda, because he's the one who requested from the DPP in Tanzania for mutual legal assistance, and that mutual legal assistance has been processed.
You would have left it, that's Magai of Tanzania. But I thank them for having taken that first initial step of apprehending these vehicles. So we thank you so much, sana.
Kwa hiyo leo tuna furaha sana na tunatoa shukurani kwa wote walioshiriki kufanikisha jambo hili lifikie tamati. Hongereni sana.
Abanya-Uganda ko bayiteye induru ngo mutukaza bakaziba. Polisi ya Tanzania yakora upfwe kihembe mutukizo yazikwata. Myaka ibiri hwire. Kurango bakaba batiri kwateza kunyura Tanzania na Uganda tubakwatira mutukizo. So tubasima
motokina nzo zirekwirwe ezo mufuso fighter eyayibirwe rutoma kashari tipazi ibiri okurugibanda hamwe na Kamwenje forward yechika cha Mignon eyayibirwe kuruga Masaka eyimukama wayatizire
hariho motokeza asigarayo ez'abanya-Uganda abatarya izo motoka nimuza kuzihandurira
hati twatahurtiro eziriyaho nizo kuzikoraho naho kandi abanya-Uganda abo
kwabo kushemerwa mnonga aha w'indoberi akuba tukabata kukitekateka mu kije kubako
so nimbasa kwebaza abantu abanyambiro okufuna nko kwero kusha
nani nyenda omusumo bakwasire ne motoka yitu atusasire damages
terwa tia gas terabire yabusha twangwire na ambassador wa Tanzania
bakibe motoka zitu motoka bazitwara chonka no kuziyerwa ryo taro
n'abakoza Juliet or vice chairman wa Mbara district yashababembezi biyanga ya Tanzania okita abanya-Uganda abo motoka zabo zayibirwe okumara emyaka 3 batari kuziganyurwa mu.
We would like to request the Tanzanian people to at least help us to get the culprit and pay our damages.
The Evans Tarema, Abga TV West, Umur Tanzania.